Hello everybody, today we are test driving Jeep Grand Cherokee 2020 vehicle which came in Adblue and DPF faults, has been sold. Sir, can you tell us how was your car driving before and how is it responding today on this driving?
Well, today it's a lot crisper, cleaner and sharper, and you don't have to be so heavy-footed on the throttle.
Responsive?
It's very responsive, yeah. It's just running how it should run as a new car, really. Everything's great.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy. Thank you very much.
Black or thank you. Can you see black or white smoke?
There's clouds of it coming out the back. No, there isn't.
You'll be turning right here.
Yeah. No, there's no smoke. Everything is fine.
Okay, excellent. We have another happy customer from Moorhouse Garage, also known as supremedpfclean.com. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango, November 16 to Echo Tango. DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, turbo. We are also a certified diagnostic center. We are the masters for what we do. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thank you.